Well, you have some stuff that's one attempt, some stuff is two attempts. Who farted?
Told you not to call here. It's not for sale. Quit texting me and aggravate.
How you guys doing so far this week? How you feeling?
Good. Yeah, no, I feel good. Just gotta keep at it. Yeah, no, I feel good.
I would agree.
Alright, so for this week, as of right now, we've got 11 leads added. Hopefully we can try to boost that up, even though of course this is only day 3 of this week. For the month, I believe we're at about 47. Hopefully those numbers will go up for this month. As far as text messaging, phone calls, everything, it's a window, and it's a very short window. We have their attention for literally 30 seconds. If you don't respond within a short period of time, we lose that window. We can't wait 5 minutes, we can't wait 10 minutes, we can't wait an hour. It has to be within that window, because if we don't catch them in that window, somebody else is. We're gonna miss that window and we'll probably never contact them again. It happens all the time. All these people that respond back, and we try calling them, texting them, they never respond back. Adrian, how's your calling going so far?
Yeah, I got the saw. I'm on the Salisbury. I should be able to, let me see. Hopefully, today I know I'm gonna finish it for the second round. Things like that list is pretty long.
Yes.
This week, man, hopefully I should be able to finish that list completely 100%.
As of right now, it says you have 259. The Gastonia is gonna be your longest one. That one has like over 500 contacts. Well, you have some stuff that's one attempt, some stuff is two attempts. Who farted? It's a tough. Bro, there's something wrong with it, man. I can hear that from here. Sounds like somebody moved the chair across the room.
Yeah.
Somebody takes a dump in the middle of a meeting. That noise canceling mic on your iPhone ain't working.
Yeah, for real.
So, all right, Adrian, you have a few in that list that have only been called once. So I'm figuring that probably about, it's probably gonna be like Thursday, Friday when you finish. So right now I'm working on this thing. I don't know how well you can see that. Trying to get REI Reply to be able to send more than 3,000 text messages a day. They implemented this new thing where you can't have more than 10 drip campaigns running at one time with this thing called a bulk edit tool. So you can't have more than 10 bulk edits at the same time. The bulk edit could be a drip campaign, it could be anything. Because of that, if you multiply 100 times 10, that's only 1,000 text messages a day is not gonna cut it, okay? It really is not gonna cut it. I need like right now 3,000 text messages a day. I'd be happy even with 2,000 text messages a day. So I kind of created my own drip campaign. I'm gonna test it out and see how well it works. I'm guessing this is how I'm gonna do this. So basically, this is chicken scratch from my scratch paper here. So each phone line is going to have 10 campaigns. Welcome to my whiteboard if you haven't seen it in the past, and this is your first time seeing it. So as of right now, what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to send one text message. This isn't working, right? I'm trying to send not one, actually 2 text messages every 12 minutes over a 5-hour period equals 50 text messages per day. Now, I know that I said I send about 100 per phone line, which that's what I was doing before. But since this whole implementation happened that I can only do 10 drip campaigns, instead of doing one every 12 minutes like I wanted to do before, I have to do 2 every 12 minutes in order to accomplish 50 text messages a day, which over a 3-day period, because these 50 people are gonna get sent a text once today, once tomorrow, and once on the 3rd day. And then what's gonna happen is 50 new people are gonna drip in. So in the same phone line now, instead of just only 50 people, there's 100. And on the 3rd day, there should be 150 people in there getting text messages every day, 50 text messages going out per day. So which equals 150 SMS per line. After 3 days is when this starts, you know, basically being fully implemented. So since I'm dripping in 50 per day, this is really manageable. But now that I'm only being able to do 150 text messages a day per line with the drip campaigns, I'm left with a gap of 2,500 text messages that I'm missing that I can't put into my system. So what I'm doing is that we are gonna create, and this is gonna be enormous, a campaign that is divided into 4 lines. So we got L1, L2, L3, L4, and each day is gonna have a delay. So on the first day, there's gonna be a 1-day delay, second day, a 2-day delay, 3-day, third day, a 3-day delay, 4th day, a 4-day delay, 5th day, a 5-day delay, 6th day, a 6-day delay, 7-day delay, 8th day, 8-day delay, 9th day, a 9-day delay, and the 10th day, a 10-day delay. Now, I gotta create this 4 times, creating a total of 40 campaigns, okay? And each campaign then has to have a specific time that it starts. So this one is gonna start at 1, I think at 10, and then this one at 1, 10, 1. You get the picture, okay? Then each one of these campaigns is gonna need a tag. So what the tag will do is, once you insert tag or add a tag, you guys can see that? Yeah, you can't see that. So once you add a tag, let's say Charlotte campaign 1, because this will be 1 through 10, this will be L2 1 through 10, so this will be campaign 1, L1. We'll just do it like that. So let's say this tag gets added to whatever, you know, list of people. Whoever has this tag is going to be automatically ended up in this campaign. So once these conditions are met, it can be added to this campaign. You see how complicated this is? This is like Nightmare on Elm Street for real. All right, I'm gonna have to do this 40 times. This marker cap on. So I gotta do this 10 times, make 40 campaigns at different times of the day. So you can see here, this is a lot of trouble to just be able to send out about 2,000 text messages over a couple of days. Now what this is going to be able to do is, since I'm sending out 50 text messages all in one day, here goes what, 200, then 200, then 200. So that means every day I'll be doing 600 text messages from day 3 all the way to day 10. After day 10, these will start to drip off, and you know, it'll be, instead of 600, it'll be, you know, 600 minus 200, which would be what, 400, then it'll go to 400, then it'll go to 200, then it'll go to 0. If I'm able to do this once and it works, and how well it works, then that means I can boost myself up to then, instead of only 600 text messages a day with one of these going, I can get 2 more going, and I can have 2,400 plus my 10 through my bulk request, and then I can have like 4,000 or 5,000 text messages a day. Which for me, that's great, because I just pulled out 5,000 brand new leads driving for dollars in the last 30 days. So 5,000 plus the, I don't know, I think I got like 4,000 new leads that I just pulled out from December. So a total of 9,000 leads. And you can hear the text messaging still going off. Let me mute that. So a total of 9,000 leads to get text message over a time period of, I don't know, 60 to 90 days. And if each lead has 4 numbers each, which that's the average in my system, that means I'll have 36,000 phone numbers to contact. That's a lot of leads to hit. So the faster I can get these leads over and done with and just blow through them, the faster I can go back and drive and pick up new leads and just keep doing the same thing over again. You know, blow through them, drive again, blow through them, drive again, blow through them, drive again. The goal is to try to close 20 to 30 leads per month. That's the true goal. If I can do that, you know, we can generate quite a bit of money, obviously. And we could, you know, retire faster. So I don't have to keep losing my mind with things like this. I'm not exactly in the picture here, but basically what I was trying to do today, I'm gonna try to show you guys real quick. I might have to handheld this thing real quick. But basically, so some of you guys are not really gonna understand this, but basically I had this tag over here. My camera's going crazy right now. But basically, when I add these tags over into these people, it's gonna send them over into these new campaigns that I created. There we go. It might be really, really crazy looking. But basically, we go over here to the campaigns. So this is exactly what it's doing. It's creating a wait campaign. So I designated the time and when I want it to go out and where it's gonna go afterward. And if you notice where the place that I'm targeting, it is Salisbury, North Carolina. But you can see the times where I want this to drip into my regular campaign. That way I can have all of my stuff going out at once. With all that happening, now I'm able to do about 600 text messages per day, putting it into that campaign without having to worry about the whole drip thing going on with REI Reply. So if I could duplicate it one more time, I can do 1,200 a day. That's not in addition to the 1,500 that I could send out also now. So I got 1,500 plus 1,200 if I could get the other one going. So that would put me at almost 3,000 a day in text messaging. Goal is 4,000. So my goal is for the next 2 areas that I'm hitting 2 new markets. I'm just gonna go ahead and put those types of campaigns together for those markets because they're gonna be markets I'm gonna hit often, to be honest. Basically all these leads, I wanna try to hit them all within 3 months, so 90 days. And already, we lost already almost 20 something days. So 20 days are already gone. So I'm hoping that, you know, we can pop something out of this. I'm pretty sure we can. And the reason why I want to do so many text messages is to ramp up volume. We want to do more volume, more cities, more areas. We want to buy more stuff. We want to buy our own stuff this year. In addition to what we already have, I own, you know, at least like 10 to 15 properties. This is including land and houses. So we want to try to increase as much as we can as far as what we have. And the more we can wholesale, the more money we'll have in order to buy. So that's the whole point in this whole thing. So that's pretty much it, guys. I have the text messaging running. It's gonna start tomorrow. We'll see the results of it and see if it works out or if I just created a gigantic bomb that's about to go off tomorrow. We'll find out. We will find out. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, shoot me some comments down below. Shoot me some likes down below. I know that some of this might not make sense unless you're using REI Reply, but it's still something that I felt like I wanted to document. That way you guys can see some struggles and problems that I deal with, even though maybe they're a little bit complicated. But appreciate you guys watching anyway. Hope you guys are winning in your business, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog.